All right, Grand Design Momentum 2021 25G. This thing's pretty sweet. The party deck on the back is out. Let's see, 2,800 pounds again. So you can put a good size toy in there. Lots of storage, it looks like. I don't know if we can get into any of it. Let's see. Oh yeah. Who knows what you could use that for. Looks like it has access to the inside almost. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. Outside kitchen. Lots of awesomeness. This thing is a party machine. And it sounds like the people next door are partying again. Long awning. I love this thing. Party deck. Kaylee. We were saying how that's probably our favorite aspect of a lot of fifth wheels that we won't get in a travel trailer, but it looks like they're giving us the option here. Let's take a look inside. Friction door hinge. What do you think, darling?
It's nice.
Ooh, it's hot in here.
It's hot.
All right, so it doesn't feel as much like a toy hauler as some do. It has the bunk bed lowering down. That's pretty. That's got to be a king, right? Or close to it.
It's really cool.
Seating, room for a dinette.
It's super tall.
Yeah, it's real tall. Tons of space. You don't get any front-facing view of the TV or anything.
The slide in the bedroom isn't out.
Yeah, it looks like this slide isn't out either. Technically, this would slide out all the way here.
Oh.
I noticed that on the side, so you'd get another 3 feet of space in the living room.
I know it's so lame, but I really like these counters. Like, they're not the white ones. They're kind of...
Yeah, they're different from everything else. Big cabinet in here. Oh, that's different. The queen folds in half.
And there's a really big closet.
And slides out. Wow, look at the mirror here. Lots of space. Storage. Oh, there's that storage there. There's something down below that I saw outside. Looks like you might have 2 accesses to the bathroom. Yeah, 1 and 2. Good showers. I love Grand Design showers. Good space. Big toilet. I like it. If you can settle with a queen, or else live in the rear, it might be hot by that back door. But let's see the price tag. 60. Yeah, 60,000. 21,000 in options. Wow, it's a lot. But it's got a generator that's $5,000. All kinds of things like that on there. But it's still awesome. I mean, when you consider 30-foot RV and you gain an extra 10 by 10, 100 square feet there, that's a big deal. And you can definitely get something big in here with this slide, because these straps come all the way up. You could get a lot of dirt bikes or something. Anyway, thought we'd show you something different. Enjoy.